Starting a 3D Services LLC can open up exciting opportunities, and you might be thinking about diving into this venture. Today, we're going to break it all down for you. Let's kick things off by talking about what an LLC, or limited liability company, actually is. It's a business structure that gives you the flexibility of a partnership with the benefits of legal protection. Now, imagine you're an artist and your work is your passion. You want to turn it into a business, but the thought of personal liability keeps you up at night. That's where an LLC comes into play. It can help shield your personal assets from any business-related debts or liabilities. So, how do you go about forming your very own 3D Services LLC? The first step is picking a unique and memorable name for your business. It's like naming your child, except this one won't keep you up all night. Make sure it's not already in use and aligns with your business goals. Next, you'll need to file what are known as Articles of Organization. Think of this as your LLC's birth certificate. It's a document that outlines the essential details of your business, like its name, address, and the names of its members. It sounds complicated, but that's where legalregistration.com can step in to make the process smoother. After filing, you'll probably want to create an operating agreement. This isn't legally required everywhere, but it's a smart move. Think of it as a guidebook for how your LLC will run, covering everything from management to profit distribution. It's like having a playbook that keeps everyone on the same page. Before you officially launch, consider setting up a solid online presence for your 3D services. A clean website, social media profiles, and a portfolio of your best work can go a long way in attracting clients. In the 3D industry, visuals speak louder than words, so showcase your talent wherever possible. Now, let's talk about taxes. Who doesn't love taxes, right? But seriously, understanding how taxes work for your LLC is crucial. You get to choose how your LLC is taxed, whether that's as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. This choice affects how you file your taxes and distribute profits among members. It's like picking a plan for a mobile phone. Choose the one that fits your needs best. And there you have it. Setting up your 3D Services LLC is a journey, but with the right information and resources, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to help every step of the way. You can visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 3D Services LLC adventure.